Hello, we are Hyperplay, a small YouTube channel with only around 2,000 subscribers. We made one change to our videos, which has increased our viewing figures dramatically, literally overnight. We made the change yesterday, and today our views have gone up massively, and we want to tell you why in under 3 minutes. So you can see some of our videos here had very small viewing numbers, even double digits. Our content focuses on video games, and these videos should have been of interest to gamers, but they weren't getting any traction whatsoever. And they still aren't getting any views because we haven't made the one change that we're going to tell you about very soon. Whereas these other videos, many thousands of views. And yep, you guessed it, we'd made the change for them. The one click you can do through the YouTube Studio mobile app that we'll tell you about in just a second. So we've done a lot of research in this area on small YouTuber help, and there are probably, as you know, a ton of videos telling you to do all sorts of wonderful things, like keywords in your title, catchy thumbnails with a hook, descriptions that have hashtags, and links to playlists and so on. Uploading your videos as unlisted and letting them sit with YouTube for about 24 hours before they go public so that the algorithm can make sure that they are focused in the right way. But there's one thing you can do very quickly to make sure your videos do get views, and it is this. Let's choose a Xenoblade X video with a paltry 122 views over 3 years. Should be a lot more popular. Xenoblade X is a game that's just been re-released on Nintendo Switch, which has an install base of 150 million consoles. So it's crazy that there are only 122 views on this. For whatever reason, it's not being pushed towards gamers who would be interested in it, and we now know the reason why. And here's the magic. In your YouTube Studio app on your mobile phone, click on the video, you're into the edit function, go down to altered content, and you will see that neither yes or no have been clicked. Tap on no. This is really, really important. Then make sure you hit save, and you'll see edit saved pop up. Your video will now get many more views. Essentially, it will no longer be blacklisted and have labels attached to it as being potentially misleading or related to sensitive topics. So YouTube will much more likely push it to where it needs to go and prioritize it. Well done. With just one tap, you have increased your views on that video. Go through all your videos and do it for every single one, and you will see the results. Your views will shoot up and you'll earn a lot more ad revenue. And that's it. If this was at all useful, please drop us a like. You know how helpful it is. And if you feel so inclined, please subscribe, because we've got a new video coming up soon on how to make videos very quickly and easily for YouTube. All the best. Many thanks for watching. Take care and good luck out there. Bye-bye.